Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Rumble. So if you want to download the video from this site right here, you'll have, of course, to choose the video that you want to download. And when you are on the video page, you'll have to right click your mouse and then hit inspect. So right here, we'll have to use the search bar, and right here, we'll have to insert .mp4 and of course hit enter to search that option. So right here, this is this highlighted area right here. And as you can see, if I scroll to the right, I would be able to see this link right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this video, of course, and then I'm going to hit copy. So I'm going to open a new tab right here. Just a few seconds. We'll have to highlight this and copy. And I'm going to open a new tab and insert this link right here with HTTP. Just a few seconds. So this would be the link with HTTPS, and I'm going to insert. So right here, this video will pop up, and right now I can just right click on this video and hit save video as and save the video to my computer. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.